And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a chroma text effect. Make sure it's selected, and under filter, image, paint and draw, you've got a direct filter, so a one-click effect, Chromolitho, alternate. But if you want to adjust it, let me press Ctrl Z. There's also another filter that opens this menu up. Make sure that the live preview is checked. You can play around with the inversion, for example. But the only slider that does something is the saturation. Much more important is the grain. Make sure grain mode is activated. And if you uncheck the color here, the saturation under options doesn't do anything anymore. So keep that in mind. Let us adjust the frequency horizontally and vertically. And it changes the entire feel of this effect very quickly. Complexity and variation can be adjusted at a wide range. But if you look at expansion and erosion, you want to keep the values low, because if you go too high, this happens. So under expansion, the text vanishes, and under erosion, the effect vanishes. It's actually best to go all the way to the left and then use the plus and minus to adjust it slightly. You can still adjust it after you've applied it if you move it around. So this filter moves a little bit around within the text. When you've got what you want, just file and export it like a regular object. And this is how you can create this chroma text effect in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.